the product of n positive numbers is unity, then their sum is. So let us consider, let x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on xn are n positive numbers, and it is given that their product is unity, that is 1, x1 into x2 into x3 and so on up to xn, the product of these numbers which is equal to 1, and their sum we need to find out. Let us apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equals to geometric mean concept. That is, arithmetic mean of these n numbers as x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on xn divided by n is greater than or equals to geometric mean, that is nth root of x1 into x2 into x3 and so on xn. So which is equal to nth root of, we know that the product of this n positive numbers is 1. So 1 to the power 1 by n, that is 1. So we can write x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on up to xn upon n is greater than or equals to 1. So this can also be taken as x1 plus x2 plus and so on xn must be greater than or equals to n. So we can say that the sum of these n positive numbers must be greater than or equals to n. So it can never be less than n. So we can go with an option D.